One thing that I want to change is aligning my reference images together so that they match. So let's go ahead and fix that. Bring up your perspective panel. Show your image planes. Basically what you want to do here is play with the channel box, making sure that everything is aligned as possible. So play with the values. Bring them to 0. Any values that just extend to the decimal point can also add inaccuracies. Move them manually. Do the best you can to match them up to what you have created already. And then go into the channel box and adjust any values there. I will go modify center pivot so it is perfectly aligned. This value, I'm going to bring it to the, I'm going to round it up to the nearest whole number. All right, that's much better. I will now go back into my show image planes, turn that off. And I can go now back in and start cleaning up my geometry so it fits better my reference. Now, after cleaning up, now I'm ready to go into the next stage, which is to create my bumper.